When you're surrounded by business challenges, innovation can sometimes feel like a distant prize. We've drawn together our rapid design and validation framework using the best of lean, agile, and human-centered design methodologies.
At the core of the RDV is a lab. We set up at your premises, we have daily stand-ups, present work in progress, we develop and iterate the prototype. It's a collaborative space with a focus on removing the roadblocks. Discovery is about understanding the problem space. What jobs do users want to get done? What are the underlying business drivers and how much is it actually costing you at the moment?
We engage with key stakeholders, we shadow key staff, we observe and interview customers. A technology audit gives us an understanding of, but doesn't constrain us to current and planned data and systems. We'll output user profiles and scenarios, we'll develop a design mantra that guides the project, and we'll work towards closing the commercial gap that you identified in the problem. Our design sprint is highly collaborative. We'll work together to hit the market with the best possible solution based on everything we know to date.
We go deliberately broad during ideation, and then we narrow and refine the hypotheses during iterative design.
There's whiteboard sketching, moving through to paper, and either a high-fidelity Envision prototype or a coded prototype. We end the week with a prototype ready to put in the hands of customers.
We test, we learn, we refine. The prototype will evolve quickly during this stage.
We are evaluating on many levels. Does the solution delight customers? Do they understand what it's for and how to use it? And does it meet a need? There's no presumption of greenlighting the prototype. Sometimes deciding not to proceed is a successful outcome.
Increasingly, our work involves systems integrations and APIs. Now that we have a validated prototype that we know resonates with the business and users, we enter into the tech sprint. We then build upon the technical audit that we undertook during discovery. Typically, we bring your IT team and vendors into the process. We'll map technical dependencies, sense check readiness, and highlight any issues that may get in the way of delivery. Following the tech sprint, we usually assist with a presentation of the prototype, testing results, and recommendations, which we call the proposition.
While there's a lot of energy in the room at this stage and people feel proud of what they've created, it's also a time for a dispassionate look at the commercials of the product. We now have everything that we need to estimate the costs involved in the project, and we can drive informed choices of the way ahead.
My experience with Conduct's flexibility, everyone was always very willing to help, willing to understand, willing to be part of our business. You guys were here in the office to talk to the stakeholders, so it showed a lot of empathy to our business, which is a key thing when you want to solve a challenge like that. You were not constrained by one solution or two solutions. You were looking at what were the opportunities.
The RDV process really allowed us to kind of take that desktop research and go and test that out against our customers to make sure that we were addressing concerns that were in market and actually start pulling together an initial prototype. Without Conduct part of it, we wouldn't have moved as quickly as what we had at the time.
It was really effective and really successful in actually finding out what the needs of our customers are and what they want before we took our product to market. It really helped validate our thinking and our ideas and our assumptions about our customers, and our product's now in market, and we're really pleased and really happy with the result, and that validation process actually really helped us.
When we came up with the final solution, we had a deeper understanding on what lay-by is for our customers. That was really impressive, and we got a lot of people aligned to this way of working because we understood the problem much better.